pineapple corers are a handy kitchen tool designed to make preparing this tropical fruit a breeze. There are many products available to choose pineapple corers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best pineapple corers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Pineapple Corer and Slicer. The Zulay Pineapple Corer is a multifunctional tool that effortlessly peels, slices, and removes the core of a pineapple. Made with high-quality stainless steel and BPA-free materials, this corer features sharp serrated blades that easily slice through the pineapple and curved edges that create perfect circular-shaped ring slices. It is easy to use and saves time compared to slicing a pineapple by hand with a knife. The detachable rust-proof parts are dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean. With a comfortable ergonomic handle, this corer allows for minimal effort and is suitable for both home cooks and professionals. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store and travel-friendly. The Zulay Pineapple Corer is backed by a lifetime guarantee, ensuring its durability. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Pineapple Corer. This OXO Pineapple Corer and Slicer is a game-changer for pineapple lovers. With its comfortable, non-slip knob, you can easily core and slice whole pineapples without adjusting your grip. The ratcheting turning knob allows for continuous rotations, and measurement markings on the shaft prevent piercing the bottom of the pineapple shell. The sharp, medium-sized blade is shaped for compact storage and accommodates most pineapple sizes. The corer and slicer are easy to clean, and the product lays flat in drawers, with a safety cap for storage. Customers rave about the product's ease of use and the convenience it provides. No more wasted pineapples or struggling to cut them up. This product is perfect for anyone who loves fresh pineapple and wants a hassle-free way to prepare it. Number 3. Pineapple Corer Stainless Steel. Chalkseala Pineapple Tool is a high-quality stainless steel corer that makes slicing pineapples a breeze. The tool is easy to use, allowing you to effortlessly remove the pulp in just a few seconds, saving you time and effort. Cleaning is a snap as well, either by dishwasher or a quick rinse. With this corer, you can create perfect pineapple slices for salads, or use the shell for pineapple rice or drinks. Plus, Chalkseala offers a quality guarantee. Number 4. Ukyu Pineapple Corer Cutter. Ukyu Pineapple Corer is a stainless steel tool that helps you slice pineapples effortlessly. The durable blade ensures clean and even cuts, perfect for making jam, freezing slices, or baking cakes. Its detachable design makes cleaning a breeze, saving you time and effort. By using this corer, you can save money by buying whole pineapples instead of pre-cut ones. The measure marks aid in precise core removal, while the comfortable handle allows easy twisting. Say goodbye to messy pineapple prep with Ukyu Pineapple Corer. Number 5. Nunes Pineapple Corer Cutter. Nunes Pineapple Cutter is a versatile tool that allows you to effortlessly core and slice pineapples. The unique detachable wedger makes it safe and convenient to use, eliminating the need for knives and cutting boards. Measure marks help you estimate core removal depth, ensuring intact pineapple shells for creative food presentations. With an upgraded, reinforced blade, this corer is durable and long-lasting. The ergonomically designed handle provides comfort while twisting or pushing cores through pineapples. Enjoy quick and efficient pineapple preparation for your parties or restaurants.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.